Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. If you are start thinking your career in web designing, content writing, and web page development, and want to learn HTML from the scratch, so this lesson and this lecture is for you. If you have not watched my previous videos, watch them because these lessons are in continuity of previous lectures. Okay, so we're going to learn some new HTML tags. In this lecture, we're going to cover a few important tags. The first one, we're going to learn about a tag called block quote. And what it does, it basically in your web page want to put some like a quote. If you want to say that a text or a paragraph is a quote for something, here we refers to this website, which is the site. If you go to that site, so you will get this quote. So this will say that this is being taken from this quote. So, and if you write a text in this block quote tag, so what will it do? It will write it like that. So here you can see that. Okay. The next thing we're going to learn, if you are willing to put a double quotation or marking a text as a quote, so is a new tag called Q. Q stands for quote. So you just beginning and the end. So start putting in double quote here and here, and that you can see that here. Okay. So this is if you run it, so and here you can see that this is a code here, so that refers to Q. Okay, so the next one, sometime we want to abbreviate certain things like WHO, which stands for World Health Organization, or UN, United Nation. So what you can do in your web page, you can put abbr, which is a short for abbreviation, and you put this attribute title, and you put what does this refers this abbreviation, so you put the whole thing there. So when you do that, what will happen in your web page, when you mouse over into it, and it will tell you, as you can see that it is showing you World Health Organization. Okay, so the next one we're going to learn about, if you want to put the address of the author in a HTML page, so there is a dedicated tag called address, which you start beginning and end, and you write it this, and it will be referred as just like a paragraph, and br is a break, new line, after that new line. So these are break tag. So when you do that in your HTML page, the reflection would be like that. So the author details will be put into this way. So this is very nice way to put in the author address. Okay, the next one, what we're going to do is, if you want to put a title on a page or an image on a work, so here is an image tag. In this, what you're saying that image tag beginning, and so what you're doing is you taken from this source, and it is the width and the height of the image. So you can see that here. And alt is alternative. What does that work? How does that work? I will demonstrate that. If in case something goes wrong with the image and you run it, so it at least it will show the text, what is this image about. This is a broken image. Okay, so this alt will is a very good attribute to put it a text. And if you bring it back, so the alt won't be shown, but the image will be shown. Okay, so for that image, what we are saying that the cite, this is a new tag. You want to put a title on that, title of the work. So you put it as cite, and then if you see that, that's how it is reflected into your web page. Okay, so cite is a tag which, if you want to title some text in HTML. Okay, the next thing is very interesting. Normally you write your text in right to left, as in English, but in some cases, some languages are written from right to left. So you can use a tag called BDO, which, and then you put an attribute. This is dir, which is the direction right to left, rtl, right to left. Okay, and if you do that, the result of this would be like a very interesting text. This line will be written from, and so this is interesting, written from right to left. Okay, so this is right to left. So uh, I hope this lecture has been informative and you understood these basic HTML tags. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share with your friend, and subscribe to Free IT Education. See you in the next lecture. Bye for now.